In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to get to Webflow from a quick Google search, preview your site, open key settings, work with the page body, add a list item, and make a crucial name change that aligns perfectly with a Mailchimp tag. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type Webflow into the search bar and choose the official Webflow result. If you're not already signed in, log in so you can access your projects. The interface may look slightly different depending on your account and recent updates, but the core navigation will be the same. On your dashboard, locate the project you want to work on and click View Site. This opens the live or preview version of the project, which is helpful for confirming what's currently visible and understanding what you're about to adjust. Keep this open as a reference so you can compare changes later. From there, move into the project's settings. Look for the settings option associated with your project or page. Clicking Settings gives you access to the configuration areas you'll need for structure, elements, and naming details. If you have multiple pages, make sure you're in the correct one before moving forward. Next, select the body. In Webflow, the body is the root of your page's structure. Selecting it ensures you're operating at the correct level for layout decisions, and that any elements you add land where you expect. If you're using the navigator, you'll see Body at the top of the hierarchy. Choosing it helps avoid placing content inside the wrong section or container. Now add a list item. Find the list element you're working with and add a new item to it. This keeps your structure consistent and makes it easy to style and manage repeated content. If your design relies on uniform spacing and typography, duplicate an existing, well-styled item so your new one inherits the same look and behavior. Finally, click on Name and change the name field so it exactly matches the Mailchimp tag you intend to use. This exact match is critical for integrations. Mailchimp relies on precise field names to map data correctly. Be careful with capitalization, spaces, and special characters, as even a small mismatch can break the connection. It's a good idea to copy the tag directly from Mailchimp and paste it here to avoid typos, then remove any accidental trailing spaces. That's it. You've navigated from search to Webflow, previewed the site, opened settings, worked from the body, added a list item, and aligned the name field with a Mailchimp tag to keep your data flowing accurately.